guys, welcome back to the channel. Little vlog for me to open the latest upgrade for my Audi TT MK1 Patty, and I'm very excited because I just got it in the mail, and it came from Hong Kong where they were making it. I'm gonna show it to you, so I'm gonna open the box and show you the latest upgrade, which will be installed very soon. Yeah, so let's make sure get this done. All right. I'm super excited. Well packaged. Yeah. Should have a GoPro filming this, but anyway, this just happened. Oh my god, it looks great. Check it out. Whoa. My new steering wheel for my Audi TT. Flat bottom, carbon fiber. It's got the German flag here, and perforated leather, and I think you can see the stitching. It's sort of mimicking the interior of my TT with the baseball glove. Not too obvious, but I think it looks great. So check it out. I mean, I'm like super excited about this. This is so well made. Honestly, it surpassed my expectations. I'm gonna put a link down below of the people that made it. I got it through eBay, and it took a few weeks, you know, but you can configure everything on it. You can configure the type of carbon fiber you want, the shine. You can configure this in many ways, flags and, you know, red lines or nothing. You can select the perforated leather and the leather color, and even the stitching color. They have all kinds of choices. So this will be perfect for, you know, the front part. The airbag goes in there. I'm gonna talk to my friend Blake, who is gonna help me install that and a few other things. So this is gonna look great on Patty. Not that I don't like the original OEM steering wheel with the baseball glove theme, but it looks a bit old, and this will give it a different, sort of more modern touch, and I can't wait to do that. It feels sturdy, nice, and it's gonna be fun. It's been a while since I've upgraded anything on Patty, so that's a video that is coming up soon. Just wanted to share with you this, and a few other things that are coming and for Patty over the next few weeks, and I'm pretty excited, you know. So tell me if you like it. If you don't like it, if you think I should have kept it more OEM, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm very happy with this, and I think I'll enjoy it. So that was it. Just a quick video to share this with you, and stay tuned, because I'm gonna do the upgrade soon, and I'm gonna do an install video of that. So stick around. Thank you for subscribing, and see you around again soon. Take care.
Dale mami baila, estás bien rica mami baila, estás bien rica mami baila, estás bien rica mami baila. Dale baila, dale bien encendida como baila de baila. Dale mami baila, si no le gusta baila, you know.